How to see your Instagram password on Android. This tutorial shows you how to find and reveal your saved password through Chrome. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. After that, tap the three dots at the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings to open the Chrome settings page. At this point, scroll down and tap on Google Password Manager, which you'll find under the Passwords and Autofill section. In the next step, once the Password Manager opens, use the search bar to find Instagram or scroll through the list to locate it. Following this, tap on the Instagram entry to open it. Once done, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. Go ahead and provide your fingerprint or enter your PIN to proceed. From here, your Instagram username and password will both be listed on the screen. At this stage, tap the eye icon right next to the password field to reveal the full password. Finally, if you want to copy it, tap the copy button right next to it, and the password will be copied straight to your clipboard, ready to paste wherever you need it. And that's it. If this guide helped you find your Instagram password on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.